Okay.
Hi, my name is Jeff, and I'm the instructor here at the MATC Cabinet Making Shop. And today we're going to do an exercise in layout. We're going to lay out a series of 8 holes of various diameters. We have the exercise sheet here, and we have a worksheet that we will be placing the holes on. Our instructions are to call for 6 holes of various diameters to be laid out 5/32 of an inch apart. Final product is going to look something like this here. Okay, and here we're going to lay out these 6 holes. We're going to use math to figure out the location of these holes. So I have my first hole, which is 1.5 inches diameter. My second hole, which is 1 5/16 in diameter. My third hole, which is 7/8 in diameter. My fourth hole, which is 13/16 of an inch. My fifth hole, which is 1/2 inch. And my last 6th hole, which is 1/4 inch in diameter. We'll add the holes, diameter of the holes together. We have a total of 5 1/4 inches. We will also add the space between the holes. There's a 5/32 inch space between each hole. And if we count those up, there'll be one space less than the number of holes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. So I have 5 spaces at 5/32, and that will total to 13/16 of an inch. If I add that to my 5 1/4, I end up with a total of 6 1/16 inches. We can lay out the first hole and the last hole on our sheet, and we know mathematically that from the edge of our first hole to the edge of our last hole is a total of 6 1/16 of an inch. Now I can find the center of my last hole by subtracting the radius of that hole from that 6 1/16 here. And Jordan has done that here and set his compass to 1/8 inch and traced a 1/4 inch diameter hole here. He's also traced 1.5 inch diameter hole here, and he is now mathematically figuring each hole so he can lay them out individually. And together we'll have very accurate layout because we've done the math.
Hi, I'm Jordan. I'll be demonstrating how you are going to figure out the distance between circles using math. To start out, we're going to find the radius of this circle here, which is, the total is going to be 7/8. So you divide that by 2, and that's 7/16. You do that plus 5/32, because we have 5/32 between the circles. So you do that plus 13/32, which is the radius of the next circle, which gives you 1 inch. You're going to come over here, put your rule on the center of this circle here, mark 1 inch. Come over here with your compass and scribe a line.
So then if you do lines perpendicular, yeah, you put the square there.
Like so.